My motivation to pursue science definitely came from a love for chemistry in high school, but then I went to university and we really had no, even laboratory demonstrators, lecturers, there were just no women to see as role models. And at the time I complained, I thought this doesn't seem right, and then I realised, well, rather than complain, I could try and pursue that as a career. So from my undergraduate days, I just put myself on a sort of path to academia, and I've been trying to make it better for other women ever since.
So I was, during 10 years or more, a representative of gender equity. We are really giving the chance to women to reach a high-ranking position in research. The professorship, of course, is an important point because you have more female at the level of studies and then in the PhDs. So I think that the KIT is actually doing a very good job in that direction, and this is working and this is going to work.
One of the best things I think we can do today for women in STEM is mentoring. So everyone should have a mentor, that they can speak to, that can help support them, that can guide their way. That's what was really lacking in the past for me. The other thing that's really important is to award and promote women. So you need to show that you value the work that women are doing in the workplace. That's been the big change in the last few years, particularly in Australia. In fact, Australia had its first female professor in chemistry in the year 2000. So that's only 24 years ago. That's been a big change in the university system to make it for the better for everyone.
I wanted to do research. I wanted since the beginning to have my own group. Therefore, I didn't look left or right. I just focused on it, and it worked. My advice would be just not to listen to anything and just to force your future and to do it. It's very difficult. You have to have a thick skin for sure, but it can work.